Hey guys, I'm the Bento Buster, and this is my little ice cream hack using Japanese ice cream and some Japanese cookies. If you've spent any time in Japan or you've been to a Japanese supermarket, you're bound to have come across these guys. Not the lizards, the ice cream and the cookies, I mean. This ice cream is called Yukimidaifuku, and loosely translated, I guess it's a snow viewing kind of ice cream. This package contains 2 balls of vanilla ice cream, wrapped in a thin layer of mochi, aka rice cake, and then it's bathed in coconut milk. Now this ice cream notoriously sticks to the bottom of the pack, so it comes with this little stick to remove the little ice cream balls. So there you go, this is an ice cream ball encased in a rice cake, aka mochi. And these little guys are Country Ma'am chocolate chip cookies by Fujiya. Now these little cookies are popular because they're oozing with homemade goodness. And by homemade, I mean they're made in a massive factory. But I think you get the gist. Basically, they're the type of cookie that your grandmother or mother makes. They're extremely popular and they're found in almost every household throughout the land. Now these yummy little treats are super moist on the inside and generously filled with chocolate chip cookies. They've been around since 1984 and I think everyone's familiar with them. Now, I've lost my train of thought. Where was I? Oh yes, the ice cream hack. Well guys, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to guess what I'm going to make. Yep, I'm going to make... That's right. Yes, an ice cream sandwich. Now of course this is not the first ice cream sandwich in Japan, but it is a very good DIY version. Now these 2 products on their own are very popular items, but I've never seen them actually being combined to make an ice cream sandwich before. So what you're watching could be actually a world's first. But don't worry about this taking over the internet. In fact, I don't get many views and probably no one else will watch it apart from you and maybe turn to other people. So it's a nice little in thing to keep to yourself. Now believe me when I say this is really good. It's a nice little combo and I'm really surprised that no one's thought of it before. Now the great thing about the mochi is that it keeps everything intact, so it's a nice little package to dig into. Now here's some ice cream trivia for you. This ice cream ball was first made by the Lotte company back in 1980. Back then they were actually wrapped in marshmallow and not mochi, but marshmallow was quickly replaced by mochi because it was more popular with the Japanese. And what's really cool is that the Lotte company perfected a technology to keep the mochi soft at freezing point. How about that? So there you go, you looked at a hack and you learned a little bit about Japanese ice cream and cookies. Well, that was delicious, so if you see these in your local shop, get them and try it out, but hey, keep it to yourself, okay? Thank you for watching. I'm the Bento Buster, and if you want to watch any more of my videos, well, I'm not stopping you. You can go ahead and watch them until the cows come home. Or should that be bearded dragons? Okay guys, take care, and I'm out of here. Kia kaha, and stay strong.